Hi there. With the release of our January update for Adobe XD, we're also announcing a couple of integrations. And I'm going to use the integration with Zeplin to explain how the process of sending your design from XD to these different partners, to these different apps, how it works. So let me show you first. To get XD, you can go to xd.adobe.com. And to get Zeplin, I'm going to use Zeplin to explain how the integration works. You can go to zeplin.io, and here you can see this is an app for developers to inspect measurements, colors, and extract assets. So let's see how the integration works. So I'll start with Zeplin. Here I will create a new project. I know it's going to be an iOS project, and you can see there are some instructions here how to send that design from XD into Zeplin. I can give this project a name. Perfect. Then I can go to XD, select the design I want to send, or designs. I can select multiple artboards if I want to. Let's say I want to select this one. Then you can use the shortcut Command Option E to send your designs from XD into Zeplin. Then you need to pick the project in Zeplin you wanted to send it to. I'm going to choose density 2x. It's now sending the assets and everything, all that information here into this project. It's done. Then if I need to, as a developer, if I need to inspect this, I can double click here and I can inspect measurements. It's based in points because it's an iOS app. I could also do pixels for web and DP for Android apps. But let's say I want to bring this button as an SVG or as a PDF, in this case PDF for iOS. I can then go to XD, select that guy that I want to make exportable in Zeplin. Then I open my layers panel. With that guy selected, it's called applied filters. I can rename it request button. I can then right click on this layer and tell XD to mark for batch export. Or I can click on this little icon there. Once it's done, I can then select that artboard again, Command Option E, send it to Zeplin. And now if I go back to that second thing that got imported, as soon as I select that option, I can download that entire asset as a PNG or as a PDF, so developers can use this in the real app. So that's it. So play with integrations and let us know what you think. If you have feedback, please go to adobexd.uservoice.com or use Twitter using the hashtag AdobeXD, or find us on Facebook, facebook.com/AdobeXDCC. Thank you.